friends, I am Garvit, and this time we are going towards the south and discussing about the Chennai Super Kings. Let's talk about their retentions, releases and the players that they'll be targeting for in the auction. First, let's discuss the players that they have released. Then we'll discuss the boxes they have to fill and their set 11. Then we'll discuss the players that they will target and their reserves and backups. So first, let's discuss the releases. Some big names were Kedar Jadhav, Murli Vijay, Piyush Chawla, Harbhajan Singh. So this was their Indian core, an Indian opener जो बहुत कम मिलते हैं. मुरली विजय वॉज एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड वन, तो उनको जाने दिया है. केदार जाधव एन इंडियन फिनिशर हु कैन कीप विकेट्स, बट धोनी है इस टीम में तो कीपर की क्या ज़रूरत, बिल्कुल ही नहीं ज़रूरत है फिर तो विकेट कीपर की. आपको गेंदबाजी भी आजकल नहीं दे रहे थे आपको. पीयूष चावला बहुत महंगे थे, पर जी मेरे को ये बात नहीं समझाई कि उन्होंने हरभजन सिंह को क्यों रिलीज़ किया. एक ऑफ स्पिनर की ज़रूरत थी आपको. हरभजन सिंह की कमी आपको खल भी रही थी जब लेफ्ट हैंडर्स आपको पीट रहे थे, तो मेरे को समझ नहीं आया हरभजन सिंह को क्यों रिलीज़ किया. ऊपर से पिछला जो आपका आईपीएल था वो था यूएई में, तो पीयूष चावला को भी आप एक और साल दे सकते थे मेरे हिसाब से, बट नॉट एट दैट प्राइस. 7.8 करोड़. आई थिंक they are considering buying him back, but now when you have released him, let other teams take him and not go for him back and think about other players. क्योंकि आपके पास लेग स्पिनर्स हैं, आपके पास करण शर्मा हैं, आपके पास इमरान ताहिर हैं जो बहुत एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं, तो no need to buy him back at a smaller price. They have also released Shane Watson who retired himself, so they had to release him. 4 करोड़ उनको वहाँ के खाते से भी मिल गए हैं. और उन्होंने रिलीज़ कर दिया है मोनू कुमार को. कुछ ज़्यादा करने को मिला नहीं उन्हें पिछले सीज़न में, प्राइस भी ज़्यादा नहीं था, तो कुछ ज़्यादा करा नहीं उन्होंने. टोटली एक मैच खेला, थोड़ा इम्प्रेस भी किया. AB डिविलियर्स को फ्री हिट पर 1 ही रन लेने दिया सिर्फ उन्होंने यॉर्कर डालकर, पर इतना काम था नहीं उनका. फास्ट बॉलर्स हैं चेन्नई के पास, और चेपॉक की पिच पर उनको फास्ट बॉलर्स उतने चाहिए भी नहीं. चेपॉक की पिच पर मेरे को लगता है 6 बॉलर खिला रहे हैं, तो आपको 3 स्पिनर्स और 3 फास्ट बॉलर्स चाहिए होंगे, तो मोनू कुमार का इंक्लूजन में मैं इतना शब्द बोलूँगा नहीं. नाउ लेट्स मेक द सेट 11. ओपनर्स, they have traded Robin Uthappa from Rajasthan Royals, but I didn't understand that move because they're already having Ruturaj Gaikwad, who was really nice in the last season. At the ending, you saw that spark in him. So I think Ruturaj Gaikwad will be their first choice opener. Alongside him, Francois du Plessis. You need a backup overseas opener, because overseas players की तो अवेलेबिलिटी पे क्वेश्चन होता है, पर मेरे को नहीं लगता ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ कहीं जाने वाले हैं. सो आई थिंक द ओवरसीज बैकअप टॉप ऑर्डर बैट्समैन दैट दे नीड, क्योंकि वो अंबाती रायडू को ओपनिंग के लिए शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं अगर फाफ डू प्लेसिस चले जाते हैं. तो हमें एक ऐसा प्लेयर चाहिए जो टॉप ऑर्डर में खेल सके, ना सिर्फ ओपनर, थोड़ा फ्लोट कर सके और 3-4 इस पोजीशन पर खेल सके. डेविड मलान वॉज एन ऑप्शन दैट आई थॉट, बट देन आई थॉट दे नीड एन एंकर. Ruturaj Gaikwad played a nice role of the anchor, but let him play his shots. Don't put him that responsibility. He's too young right now to take that responsibility of that anchor. I think they can play Manas Labuschagne. They can bid for Manas Labuschagne, buy him and play him as an anchor if Faf du Plessis goes or some injury happens, as a backup. I'm thinking of a backup plan. My first choice would obviously be Faf du Plessis, as he's experienced, he's explosive and a better batsman than Labuschagne according to me, according to the T20 format. So that was my backup choice, Manas Labuschagne. At 3 I am having Suresh Raina. At 4 I am having Ambati Rayudu. These are the pillars of the team. सुरेश रैना के आने से उनको थोड़ी सी बैलेंस भी मिलेगी टीम को, क्योंकि he does that bowling as well. If somebody is having a bad day, you can provide him the ball. He does nice part-time off spin. At 4 you are having Ambati Rayudu. He plays nice. He showed that in the last season. Stepped out, played differently to the fast bowlers. Step out कर रहे थे, playing them like spinners. At 5, we are having our captain MS Dhoni. I would like to play him at 5. Let him take his time and hit the big shots at the end. He'll be the captain and wicket keeper, obviously. At 6, I'm having Ravindra Jadeja after the heroics that he has done since the match against KKR for CSK, then for India as well. In many matches, in T20s, in one days, in tests. So he'll be my permanent number 6. At number 7, I'll have Sam Curran. He did brilliantly in the IPL 2020 edition. He was the positive of their team. While the team declined, he was the positive and stepped up as a star of the team. At 8, first I thought about DJ Bravo, but then I thought, what about Josh Hazelwood? He has been brilliant against India, not only in the test but also in the one days, and was good in the T20s as well. So he'll be my first choice. DJ Bravo will be my secondary choice. I know Bravo has done many things for CSK, but here I'll go for Josh Hazelwood. He also has that extra pace, that extra bounce, that extra swing, and can bowl with the new ball, which Bravo cannot do. At 9, I'm having Shardul Thakur. He'll be my primary Indian pacer. At 10, I'll be having Imran Tahir. And at 11, I'm going for Sai Kishore. He's a bit unknown. He has been doing nice in the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. He did nice before as well when they bought him in the IPL 2020. But they did not give him any matches to show his potential. And when they have retained him, I think Dhoni would have plans to rise him as a player. And Dhoni can do that. Because Dhoni is a captain who likes to rise players like these, who have talent in them, who have potential, who have spark, to give them that big level and an opportunity to show their talent. Narayan Jagdishan can be a reserve middle order batsman if something happens to Ambati Rayudu, Suresh Raina or anybody. So he can bat at 3, 4, 5, any place that you want him to bat. Then KM Asif would be another backup. He'll be for the pace department. Deepak Chahar would be an backup. I don't think Deepak Chahar will have the opportunity to play. Shardul Thakur has done brilliant for CSK, brilliant for India. I'm sorry, Deepak Chahar has really nice talent. He has that swing with the new ball, but नई गेंद से मेरे हिसाब से जॉश हेजलवुड डालेंगे और दूसरी तरफ से धोनी को स्पिनर पसंद है. सो आई थिंक दैट दे नीड अ प्राइमरी डेथ बॉलर. तो शार्दुल ठाकुर की तरफ जाएंगे MS धोनी. Another reserve would be Lungi Angidi. The reserve spinner would be Karan Sharma. And the reserve overseas spinner would be Mitchell Santner. So, and I think another player that they can target is either one of Jalaj Saxena or Krishnappa Gautam. They need an off spinner. They are not having any off spinner. वैसे हैं, एक लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर है साई किशोर, जडेजा भी लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर हैं, करण शर्मा, इमरान ताहिर लेग स्पिनर्स हैं. पर कोई लेफ्ट हैंडर अगर बल्लेबाजी करने आ जाए तो ऑफ स्पिनर के लिए आपको एक टेम्प्ट आती है. तो उसके लिए कृष्णप्पा गौतम या जलज सक्सेना के पास जा सकते हैं और उनके लिए बिड कर सकते हैं. आप भी बिडिंग हैमर उठाइए और लाइक बटन पर मार दीजिए और सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.